Beautiful fam. I'm starting this vlog like this, you guys. I have a shaku mask on me. I just need to take care of this myself. Has been very busy in the new house, you guys. So we are setting up things. This is our third day. It's going to be our third night today. Yeah, so things are coming in. We've been sleeping on our bed like that without the frame, and the first night we slept in the living room on the rug. So our things are coming in. Let me just show you. This is where we slept yesterday. Hi Andy. This is the vine's room. This is where we slept. Hey guys, our bed are just, my husband is setting up the things for our room to be in shape. Ademir, so hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Mira.
I hope you're not gonna tell me to move.
To move in another.
Putting this in your mouth? What is this? Is it food? Come here.
Yeah.
Come here now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my mommy's channel. So today this is what we're doing. So come over here and watch us. Look at Daddy. Me too. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Look at Daddy. Say hi.
That's not.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are doing this thing, this is Divine, and this is us walking in Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. So stay tuned and watch our vlogs. So today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a good day.
Please go.
So everybody, bye.
My husband was trying to say something. What are you saying?
So I hope you're not gonna tell me to move.
No, I can't see that. We already moved.
Mommy.
Yeah. So these are just, yeah, this is our room. This is the table we got from a Turkish store that is closing. Yeah, you guys can see. It's two. We have the other one there. I'm just trying to set up things. This is our mattress. This is our mattress. I show you guys when we went to buy. This is a dresser that has mirror too. Hobby is just trying to set up our frame. It came in today. This is the frame, the bed frame. Yeah. So that's it. And I'm trying to cook in the kitchen. I'm trying to do sharp okra soup. Yeah, so everywhere we're just trying to put things in place. Hey guys, that's my camera stuff. So this table, I also bought it. We bought it at the Turkish store that is closing. And this mirror, I'm going to return this. I got it the other day at Home Goods. I show you. And we have this chair right here, our dining set already here. You guys, it's also a Turkish design. And our things that we still packing our frame. Yeah, and the kitchen is still there, you guys. Everywhere is just in a mess. Everywhere. This is the kitchen, you guys. This is the kitchen. You're still putting things in place. Yeah, and I have some stuff going on there. Preparing things. This has this scatter. So I'm preparing food here. Sharp, of course. So yeah. I'm just here. The tire is tiring us. We went outside to do some things too. A tree fell down at the back, so we had to cut it. Yeah. So that's what we are up to, you guys, in the new house. And the empty house store went up today. Other videos will be following. You guys support our channel, share our videos, like. You'll be seeing a lot that is coming. Yeah, you surely be enjoying our vlogs. Sorry that I appeared this way today because it's already dry. I have to take it off. Yeah, let me take it off before I start my. Let me take it off before I finish my cooking. So I use this face wash. You guys, I got
That's
it
so
from
scary,
Family
guys.
Dollar. My kids are running away from me. I got it from Family Dollar. I've been using it. I love the effect on my face. It's really good. Yeah, so it's already dry. You just have to leave it for 30 minutes. And my own should be more than 30 minutes or something. Yeah. I'll just wash it off and put oil on my face. My serum. Yeah, our things are still scattering, but you guys. You'll be seeing the house when we finally. Yeah. Yeah. Fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Grace, a mom of three based in the United States. I do lifestyle and everything in between. So today I'll be doing an unboxing with you guys, and it's a modest outfit edition. We're going to use it for church function, but before we start using it, let's do the unboxing together. So this is from Shein, and this outfit I'm putting on is also from Shein. Yeah, so I'm a Shein lover, you guys. I will be showing you guys everything I got today. Yeah. I love Shein. So the first one here is white shoe from Shein. This is not my first time of buying shoe. I think third time or something, if I'm not mistaken. And all the shoes I've been getting from Shein is always beautiful, except for one. I don't really know. It wasn't good. So this is the shoe I got, you guys. It's a white shoe, like you guys can see that, and I'll put the price for you and the link in the description. It's really beautiful. Yeah, it's a wedge, as you guys can see that. Let me put it on. Maybe it's my size. Wow, it's really lovely, you guys. It's so lovely on me. Let me put it for you guys to see on my leg. It's really lovely, as you guys can see that. It's a white and it's balanced. It has this detailing, and this, you guys can see that on my leg. So let me buckle it up. I'm going to buckle it. So it's not really tight on me. I don't want it tight. I don't want the shoe tight, as you guys can see. Just to show you how it's looking like. I love it. Let's go to the next one. So that's it. I love the shoe. And it's not up to $30. I'm not sure it's up. It's around $20. You guys will see the price. So this is how it came. And this is the second one. It's size 41. Yeah. So make sure you look at the description before you buy, because their prices sometimes, if you are buying from America, it's not like the American size like that. So I have this. Let's see what we got inside. I have this dress. I saw the dress on Shein. It's really beautiful. So it's a black dress. You guys can see. The boots love. Yeah. You guys can see that. It's a size 12. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Yeah. I will briefly put it on for you guys to see later. Let's go to the next one. I got something for my daughter. Yeah, so this is a jacket for a dress. You guys can see that. So I got it for my daughter. size 8. Yeah, it's 8 years. Size is for 8 years, and it's really thick. The fabric is so good. The fabric is really good. I love the fabric. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, let's go to the next one. This is the next one. It's a dress. I'm using this for a function in church. This is it. When I put it on, you guys, I'll show you how it's looking like. And this is a size 12 also. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. So it has this details. So that's it, you guys. I love it. It's not bad. The material is not bad. And also this, like I said, I'm going to put the clothes in the end screen for you guys to see. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. So you guys, the clothes is not bad. Let me put this in me. It's really beautiful. I love it. I'll buy it in other colors. So like I said, it's for a church function. I love it. You guys can see how it look like. And this is a size 12. The hand runs big. It's a style. You guys can see that. It has free ear. And look at the shape of the cloth. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's really nice. You guys, it's really nice. And this is the dress. You guys, this is the dress. It's not really long like that, but I love it. It's comfy. Yeah. So this is it. This is how it looks like. So that's it, you guys.